Did you know that you can actually edit GCSEPod exam playlists? Let's have a go. So if we click the Teach button when we're logged in as a teacher, and then underneath your list of subjects, go to View All next to My Courses. Here you'll see a list of subjects and you just need to find the subject of interest, and you'll notice it's already filtered to your exam board. You can see each paper that the students are going to be taking and the dates that those exams are happening. Now, of course, because of the changes to the exams this year, you might want to edit the content that's in these exam playlists. So let's take a look at this one. So here we have all the content on the GCSEPod website relevant to this paper, and we can easily edit this. Just click Share and Assign, copy the playlist so that you've got a brand new version, and then you can start removing any topic areas that you do not want to be accessible. At the top, you might want to edit the name of the exam or customize this to be how you want it to be, and then click OK. This will now create a new playlist. You can click to view it just by clicking on the left there. And this will be your fully customized new playlist with your new playlist name. If you want to assign this to students so that they can start revising, you can just click the Share and Assign, and you can either share the pods, and that will just create a web link which you can send out via email or maybe on Microsoft Teams. Or you can actually create an assignment from this playlist and assign that to your students, so when they log in, it will show them all the pods they need to revise for that exam.